Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace starter motor on this touareg facelift with this newer engine 3-liter V6 176 kilowatts. So first thing what you need to do is remove the filter box. You need to split it in half. First you remove this half, you will undo this connector here and this. Then you remove the other side of the filter. You need to undo this electrical clip. Now you need to undo these two clamps to get the hoses out. So you need to pop up this clamp like this. Then you need a Torx T60 to undo the belt. You need to put it in here and remove the belt. Then you need to undo this T30 Torx screws. One is located here and the other one is located here, facing that side. And then you need to remove the clamp on this hose so you can remove it. Okay, so after removing the clamp, you need to wiggle this out. It's kind of hard to see. You can see it's out already, but I find it hard to remove it completely. So for now, I'm just gonna stuck it like this, so I'm able to work on this alternator. Then we need to disconnect the battery. So there's that cover. You need to unpop it here, and it has some hatches like this on the back, so you need to wiggle it out. Then either you remove these clamps, two are here, two are behind, accessible from the behind the seat. But since somebody was playing with the battery and I'm not able to remove this cover, I will just disconnect the negative on the battery here. Then we need to undo the alternator, which is water cooled. So you need to remove these two clamps and get the pipes off of the alternator, and then you need to remove these two big bolts holding the alternator itself. One is here, one is here, and then you need to wiggle it out. The alternator holds in really bad, so you need to put a screwdriver in there and just wiggle it out basically. Then we can take a look at the starter motor itself, which is back in here. So we need to undo this connector and also this connector. There is a nut behind that nut cover here, so we need to undo this and undo this connector. But unfortunately, once mine is broken here, so I'm not able to do that. I need two hands to undo it, so I'll let you know. Okay, so now I took the wheel off, took a few of the screws off to get better access in here, because we need to access this bolt holding the engine mount, and the other one here, that one is holding the starter. I also removed this screw 10mm holding the pipes, so it will give me more room, and then I create this monstrosity to get access to this bolt. So this bolt is really pain in the ass. I can't put any wrench on it. The best I can do is this, so I will try it like this. I hope it will work. Okay guys, so I'm not able to get that one screw out, the upper one from the starter motor. So what I will do is try to lift the engine and remove the engine mount. So what I need to do is unscrew that one nut, then check up the engine, and then undo 4 bolts. We already did one on that side, so only 3 left. So I raised the engine a bit, so it's free in here. Now I need to unscrew this one bolt, and I already did unscrew these 2 bolts in here. Okay, so now we get the engine light off like this. Turn it like this so you can pull it out. Then you undo this 16mm bolts from the starting motor. Voila! Here it goes. One is accessible from the top side, the other one is at the bottom, like this.